It's easy to see that the espring water purifier delivers water that's clean, fresh, and clear. Espring is the first in-home water purifier to use a patented carbon block filter in combination with ultraviolet light technology, significantly reducing potential health effect contaminants and destroying microorganisms that may be in your water. It's easy to demonstrate how espring improves clarity, eliminates odors, removes particles, and destroys potentially dangerous microorganisms. So you can see how the espring water purifier works, we'll perform each demonstration using this test unit with a clear outer shell. Some organic chemicals, like pesticides and disinfectants, are water-soluble or mix completely with water, so you can't see them, taste them, or smell them in tap water. In this demonstration, we'll use a harmless organic chemical, red food coloring, to illustrate the hundreds of tasteless, invisible chemicals that can easily find their way into your water source. First, we'll fill 1 glass with the water contaminated by the red food coloring, as our pre-test standard, so we can compare the results. Next, we'll pour the rest of the contaminated water into the espring unit. Reassemble the unit and plug it in. Espring immediately filters out the organic contaminant, glass after glass after glass. The result? Fresh espring water. City water is often treated with chlorine. While chlorine is not generally a health hazard, it can produce disinfection byproducts and can give tap water an unpleasant odor. Most treated water has only a trace of chlorine. For this demonstration, we'll add chlorine bleach to make the odor very evident. OTO, a sensitive chlorine detection chemical, reveals the presence of chlorine with a distinctive yellow color. We'll place this glass aside as our pre-test standard for comparison. Next, we'll pour the chlorine-contaminated water into the espring unit. Espring immediately filters out the chlorine, glass after glass after glass, effectively removing the odor. Now, let's use the OTO to detect any trace of chlorine. No yellow tint from first to last. Espring leaves only fresh-smelling, clean drinking water behind. In this demonstration, we'll use dust designed for lab testing to represent tiny particulates in water that can potentially create a host of health risks. We'll fill 1 glass with the contaminated water for comparison and pour the rest into the espring unit. With the power of the espring carbon block filter, particles are effectively removed. Perfect clarity with espring. And with espring's technology, beneficial minerals such as calcium and magnesium are preserved. Well water, and even treated city water, can have living organisms in it, bacteria and viruses that can cause disease. You've seen how espring's carbon block filter effectively removes contaminants from everyday drinking water. With the addition of ultraviolet light, espring destroys more than 99.99% of waterborne disease-causing bacteria and viruses, leaving only clear, fresh water for you and your family. So, it's easy to see and to demonstrate that espring delivers water that's clean, fresh, and clear.